Don't download Jasper, Enterprise Team Hub app before watching this. Before you download Jasper Enterprise, here's what most companies miss. It's not just a writing tool. At the enterprise level, Jasper provides AI-powered content creation, team collaboration, and workflow automation, but most teams get this wrong by skipping strategy. Step 1. Define content goals. Decide whether you need blogs, social posts, emails, or product copy. Most people get this wrong by generating content without clear objectives, wasting time and resources. Step 2. Set up team workflows. Assign roles, approvals, and content pipelines. The surprising truth is, without structured workflows, teams duplicate efforts and miss deadlines. Step 3. Integrate with other tools. Connect Jasper to Kim's marketing platforms and analytics for seamless operations. Without integration, content management becomes fragmented. Step 4. Monitor performance. Track engagement, conversions, and SEO impact. Teams that ignore metrics fail to optimize content and maximize ROI. The upside: proper Jasper Enterprise use can increase content output by up to 40%, improve collaboration, and enhance marketing performance. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team can define content goals, implement workflows, and analyze performance. For smaller teams, standard Jasper plans may be sufficient. Subscribe for actionable insights on using our enterprise content strategies.